Welcome everyone. You've forgotten the passcode for your Samsung Galaxy S10. Don't worry, let's factory reset the phone without the password. And in order to do this, you must connect the phone to either another Android, a Windows or Mac computer, or an iPhone or iPad. If you connect to the power outlet, this will not work. If you don't connect at all, this will not work. So the key combination, I'm going to show it and then we'll do it together, is we're going to press and hold power, Bixby, and volume down for 7 seconds. We're going to release all three keys and then we press and hold power, Bixby, and volume up until we see the Samsung logo when we release. So let's do this one together. I'm going to start in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power, Bixby, volume down. Keep these two held down. Do not release. I'm going to start counting now. 5, 6, 7. Release all three keys. Press and hold Bixby, volume up, power. You see the Samsung logo. Release. If the screen goes black again, press the previous keys again. Power, Bixby, volume up. Until you see the Samsung logo again. And then when you see it again, release. We are now in the recovery. If you aren't in recovery, rewind the video and repeat the steps exactly as I do. So you can't touch the screen here, but you can use volume down and volume up to navigate. And the power button is to select. So we need to navigate until we see wipe data / factory reset. And you click the power button to select. And then you're going to see the factory data reset. Click the volume down to access this one. And then click on the power button to select. I'm not going to do this one, but if you click the power button, the factory reset will begin. You may be brought back to this screen. If you are, just click on the reboot system now, give it 10 seconds, and then you should be factory resetting. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.